Rocks are made of minerals. Rocks are classified based on how they form. There are 3 different types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. In this video, we will be talking about metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks happen when other types of rocks, such as igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, or even other metamorphic rocks, undergo a change. This change is also called a metamorphosis. There are 2 main processes that can cause metamorphosis. The first is heat, and the second is pressure. In contact metamorphism, heat causes the change in the rock. It happens like this. Say you have a magma chamber, a collection of hot melted rock, and say this magma chamber is near the surface. The heat coming from the magma makes the rock next to the magma chamber get very hot. And although the rock does not get hot enough to melt, it gets hot enough to make the minerals in the rock undergo a chemical change and turn into something else. One example of a rock that's made by contact metamorphism is hornfels. One property of metamorphic rocks is that they tend to be very hard, and hornfels is so hard that it can create peaks like the Matterhorn in the Alps. Regional metamorphism is the other way metamorphic rocks are made. In regional metamorphism, pressure causes one type of rock to change into another. Regional metamorphism often happens at tectonic plate boundaries, where 2 tectonic plates are squeezing hard against each other as they come together. Rocks that are made through regional metamorphism are often striped like this one. We call this type of rock foliated or layered. Any type of rock can become a metamorphic rock. Here are some examples. If the sedimentary rock shale is exposed to heat and pressure over billions of years, it can turn into slate through metamorphosis. Slate is, of course, a metamorphic rock. If the igneous rock basalt is subjected to high temperatures, it can be transformed into amphibolite, which is a metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rocks can even be changed into other types of metamorphic rocks. Here's an example. We'll start with slate, which is a metamorphic rock made from shale, which is a type of sedimentary rock. Now, if we take this slate and expose it to a lot of heat and pressure, it will change into phyllite. If we expose the phyllite to heat and pressure, we'll get schist. And if we add more pressure, we'll get gneiss. Through the process of metamorphism, we can go from shale to slate to phyllite to schist to gneiss. Of course, it will take millions of years. In summary, metamorphic rocks form when other rocks are subjected to heat and pressure over long periods of time, often millions of years. Any rock can be changed into a metamorphic rock: sedimentary, igneous, and even other metamorphic rocks.